Welcome to Fullpoint, the Cebu Sports Show. For this episode, we're going to tell you the story about the opening of the 21st Aboitizland Football Cup here at the Cube Wing of SMC Side City, Cebu. I'm Nimrod Quinones. The tournament may have changed its name, but it remains the biggest event in Central Visayas, if not the whole of the southern part of the country, with a number of participating teams and the number of divisions being played. The Aboitizland Football Cup has again drawn a field of about 150 teams playing in the various age groups, as well as the newly added Executive Division. The opening rites, though attended only by some teams due to conflicts in schedule, was a celebration of the world's #1 sport. The top footballers of Cebu, who made it to the national teams as well as the champions of the biggest tournaments of the country, were also recognized. The organizing Central Visayas Football Association, which is also debuting as a regional body instead of a provincial FA, hopes to continue developing the event and making it grow bigger in the coming years.
Yes, 21 years. 21 productive and triumphant years for Cebu football. And thanks be to God and to the people behind these historical years, most especially the Aboitizland people, for their untiring, unwavering, and relentless support to the development of football not only in Cebu, but in the Visayas region as well. And then, football players in our region are most blessed and privileged because Aboitizland choose to support football over equally competitive games. The yearly tournaments have honed and developed Cebu's players. We are now everywhere, nationally and internationally.
The association has also worked to develop not only the tournaments, but is also holding courses for the coaches and game officials for a total development of football. The 21st Aboitizland Football Cup has been made possible with the all-out support of the company.
Just in time for Aboitizland's celebration of its 25th anniversary, this year we will bring the same tournament you've always supported into what will now be known as the Aboitizland Football Cup. For 2 decades, we have been honing football enthusiasts to become professionals in the local and even global football scene. Beyond the games, we also hold football clinics to train players in a grassroots level. For us, the Aboitizland Football Cup is an avenue for further empowerment and inspire young talents in the field, just like all of you who have been joining us with much enthusiasm. As we set a new phase for the Aboitizland Football Cup, together with CBFA. We wish all of you a brighter future for football in the local arena.
Capping the opening was a performance by the Cebu-based band, the Wongoys. Now that we have kicked off officially the 21st Aboitizland Football Cup, an exciting season looms for Cebu football, and hopefully the winners will also get a chance to represent Cebu and the country in future international tournaments. That has been Fullpoint, the Cebu Sports Show, and we would like to thank Adidas Golf and Pack Sports and the Ayala Center Cebu for their support.